Sono te taesami di Palipolia sulle sta cabineto io filmo yang pasama roses tenane una ya William Cancer Robinson con Samuel Jackson after filmo e farò un montana di essere malo allora perché come Samuel dato una fiscia lei a uno o salamo tu fai tu poi atale lì ma kalau malu manfaatmu ada di Instagram lo dapat kuasa karena dari malu orang berfaham bukan tu foto ini lau itu aku buat yang dia ada cuma malu ada itu orang Taiwan Nafanua itu sama mula ini so selasa nama awak dia awal Aku mahu berbuat nak terima sama, ayam nak terima. Sebab ayam ada orang timur dia, orang Faaogaina malu sekali. Negeri awal berbuat itu melibatkan yang pasti. Itu orang yang mahu limpa, sangat manusia itu dia orang kenapa orang malu sekali, malu sama. Dia orang yang itu betul. Hotel sana ada sesuatu yang malu besar yang mulai itu yang nak evaluasi. Dia buat fast food sana untuk nak. Amat kalau dia kenapa malu besar dia tersana terus itu nak Leoleo lima tersana. Kalau nak tu apa sama mau pasti itu terus bulan hari ini. Tetomo na te fale ma o masam protesi una o fana lo le te lo manuia ma lo mo so sa ti le na te le tu te tama e dona o te pa ke fo mo le le te o na ta ta ni e le na mo la ina tu tal wa da e ma o ma da le na te fale ma o masam una o si no tal Fala tadi nafas telefon, ada ada nafas telefon untuk nanti mula fasad. Masih tu ayah ada yang ada batu. Ono ya ini Faaogaina itu atau Matagaluega. Itu le untuk tahu selesai. Sama nak orang nak tahu mun mau nak besok. Ada tak tahu kui mana orang Matagaluega. Asosiasi dia mau sama dengan mulai kita Faaogaina malu. Dia le malu kui asosiasi mana sama. Pakai masih macam pakai oleh ni, buat itu yang ada di bawah nak musuh. Amtua mati di mulut aja Tuuina mengasan Faaogaina malu. Oleh ni rumah yang faktor Tuuina ini masih teknologi Faaogaina. Ini ada setiap tulang orang ada Leoleo sama. Tadi tu tuan 6 tahun. Dia ada yang tulang atau Faaogaina ini nak telefon, ayah nak cakap. Mengajukan nomor lalu yang sesuatu mau lo tengah tempat dia malu tafayul hospital ada temu Faaogaina itu. Ina buat dia Faaogaina Nafanua sama tu dia tulang atau tujuh nak telefon sama. Mau buat dia mau Maritime dia masalah itu baru nama tersein dari dia ini tertibu. Kalau nak dia lalu kalau orang manusia dia terjalan malah. Pemain fatal dia model ini sama dengan orang atau nak telefon. Oleh foi ele sabe que o Mano tu tiroi de Malu começa a falar então vai fazer uma Malu tu está tendo a ir lá lá e foi o tu como tu lá ele tu lá mas ele vai na fase mais ele não nada tanto não nada faz assim foi ele vai do tahu tu mana tak faz mas mobil ele essa bola nada faz assim Malu sekarang ela itu soal dia finalun fakta pembahasan fakta sehingga nama mengambil sesuatu awal. Dia suyu malu tentang umur sama muda tu fakta itu malu tentang umur sekali bahwa itu yang dia baru turun dengan sama. Kalau selalu dia sangat Faaogaina mafau dia pengapaan dia malu sama malu sekali ini mengenai itu ya yang sebab amat tu mana nak terpada sana. Semacam saya dia yang mahu tengah umur sana. Ya again, we are on the Faaogaina and look at the Matagaluega, Maritime, Leoleo, Matagaluega. While not to run for that, and when we are a kid, we are from a year that you are my room to the Australia, and you will get to the Sabbath, my room for a year to go. Driven to fight Korea, honorable members of Canada, members of the diplomatic corps, the SETV, especially the SETV William, welcome to Samu. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we gather today to celebrate a monumental occasion, the official handover of our new guardian class, October Nafanua 3. This official opening ceremony of the vessel represents a significant step forward in Samoa's maritime and security capabilities, which underscores Australia's commitment to strengthening maritime security in the Pacific region. It further solidifies the strong partnership between Australia and Samoa, demonstrating their shared interest in safeguarding regional security and promoting development initiatives. Australia has a long history of providing support to Samoa's maritime security dating back to 40 years. Samoa established diplomatic relations with Australia in 1971, just 9 years after Samoa became the first Pacific country to gain independence from New Zealand. Both our nations are islands surrounded by the vast Pacific Ocean, which constitutes 1/3 of the surface of the Earth. It is our shared responsibility to safeguard this ocean. These waters provide us with a wealth of resources and opportunities. However, they also pose significant challenges. Our maritime domain is vulnerable to climate change, illegal and unregulated fishing, human and drug smuggling, and other maritime threats. We are witnessing a concerning increase in sea level rising due to climate change, as well as the increased detection of illegal drugs within the Pacific region, especially in maritime space. Hence why the ceremony this afternoon is vital and important to Samoa and its maritime security. Maritime security is essential for our nation's prosperity and well-being. Our economy relies heavily on our maritime resources. We also rely on our seas for trade and transportation. Without maritime security, these vital sectors would be at risk, and it is important for our national defense. Furthermore, the Pacific region is a strategic location where the last healthy stocks of fish in the world are found, and we must ensure that it is not exploited by our adversaries. The gifting of the Nafanua 3 will be a powerful tool in our efforts to secure maritime borders and protect our national interests. The vessel is fast, maneuverable, and equipped with state-of-the-art technology and capabilities that will further enable the Samoa police to effectively respond to a wide range of maritime threats and play a crucial role in search and rescue operations, as well as humanitarian assistance and disaster response. The grounding of the Nafanua 2 in 2021 cast a shadow over our maritime security capabilities. It served as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance, training, and adherence to establish procedures in the realm of maritime operations. Whilst this incident was pretty troubling, it has provided Samoan government with an opportunity to instrumentively identify shortcomings and implement corrective measures to prevent similar occurrences in the future. The measures we have taken to reflect our commitment to learning from our past mistakes and prioritizing the safety of our maritime operations. We recognize that maritime security is not just about safeguarding our borders. It is also about working together with other Pacific Island nations and protecting our people, our resources, and our reputation as a responsible maritime nation within the region. The Australian government has continued to provide support and assistance during the absence of a third boat, which includes the hiring of a local fishing boat to combat maritime surveillance within our EEC. Search and rescue, ongoing training, and professional development help further upskill the men and women of Samoa Police Maritime. And technical assistance provided by two maritime advisors that are currently attached to Samoa Maritime Police. We acknowledge this support with much appreciation. We believe that cooperation is essential to addressing maritime challenges. No single country can tackle these challenges alone. By working together, we can share resources, exchange information, and coordinate our efforts. With that being said, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Australian government for gifting Samoa its third patrol boat. A testament to the commitment of the Australian government to working with its Pacific counterparts to strengthen maritime security in facilities. It is my hope that the partnership between the Samoan government and the government of Australia will continue to remain firm and grow even greater in the years to come. Commissioning of our new class patrol boat is a proud day for Samoa. This vessel is a symbol of our commitment to maritime security and dedication to our sense of prosperity and well-being. May the Guardian class boat serve our Samoa and the Pacific with distinction and help to keep our water safe for generations to come. God bless Australia. God bless Samoa. God bless us all who are here this afternoon.
Sei Leoleo filma o instalo está no Leoleo, mas está no máximo fio. O Leoleo o alfio ele tem tudo material. O no defolho o salata no tomar. Veia o que faz. O Leoleo ia amtar. Com o tomo de falata. Kama nwele tio ila filma e Faaogaina faz uma notícia. O mato está. O consina mantana lá. O pelo mato. O África muito leu tanto todo mais seguro tanto por Flamengo o ele fama muito ele afia o botar pena ele vine de rotina até se ele marcoina o tanto o ele tulava essa fama muito ele aí se assassina até no meio do mundo não tulava não são ali o Faaogaina aí para ir olhar afia ya le mfano tatu watu ya tatu mata pe uno de ni pare como hay si sogo sam mele mala watu alalo lo tatu le foi ya famalo stile mo dia o dia altaro le famandele tu le yaso le fe auto le tafsi le tu tatu malo na lo fa ay mala watu lo opción que pandía lo con está casi io non ho più lo suo nome, le ho dato guardiato, ma sai, mai mi fanno buon lavoro. Non se la vuoi fuori, ma non lo vedo più, ma sul palmio, adesso sono in vicina a stare. Ho io lo zino, mai mi fanno, ma non fanno, basta.